Worldwide brands. Well, this is not actually a dropshipping supplier. This is kindly a base where you find real dropshipper, real wholesale sellers. It's real easy to apply, but you have to pay. So what exactly you find here? You find the access to the whole wholesaler. No middleman taking your profit. 16 plus million certified wholesale products. That's crazy. You pay one time, you have lifetime access. It's secure, safe, and scam free, which is great. Then let's go a bit down. If you join now, you of course, as they marketed very well, you profit now. And if you try to go in, that it will cost you 197 lifetime access. Try to understand that, okay, in the beginning it might be a little bit costly, but you have lifetime. And with the products that you can find there, you can build, for example, if you are a little bit already in this business, you can build the marketplace. Just remember this word, marketplace. That's a little bit more than just a website with a few products. Try to think that you can have access to over 16 million products. That's insane. You just have to complete this application and send it to them. And by the way, I'm going to leave the link of all the suppliers in the description of this video. Also, the link for my website where you can find the ebook. Make sure you go and use them. Let's go to home. And you can find wholesale suppliers in every major category. I want to check the free for members. Let's see. You can see, if you are not a member, you can also find the products for you. Of course, not the best one, but definitely some products that you can use. So here they say exactly their directory is ideal for Amazon sellers, eBay sellers, and online stores owner. You can see they update weekly with new certified dropshippers, top-level wholesales used by big retailers chain, millions of wholesale product, no middle name. Remember that. There is a wholesale scam protection. You have full support from their team. And I want to check a little bit here, because I've saw you can become a certified supplier, for example. If you are a manufacturer, you can be authorized and you can sell your products right here. So it's not, just think a bit. If you also have your own product, you can sell it right here. I've touched the microphone. So you just have to sign up. You can go through the process. You can list your product, and you can work with the retailers, of course, and update. If you drop product lines or add new lines, change your contact information, and so on, updates. You have all the information here. Dropshipping, wholesalers make a big difference. You sell the products on the internet or online store or action listening. It's the perfect place for you. They are the best wholesaler are WBI certified, So you can be sure that there is no scam. There are a lot of suppliers from USA. They are award winning. So as I said in the beginning of this dropshipping supplier, this is a directory where you find all the products, all the wholesalers, so you have to choose from there. But for that, you have to pay a one-time fee and you have a lifetime access. So guys, I believe this is for today.